So your current weight is 85. Okay. So we will type 85, and like how many days you exercise? Do you exercise absolutely sedentary? Is it moderate or what exactly? Can you just type that? If you can see here, sedentary, light, moderate, active, very active, extra active. Which one of this? Can you please type this? Can you just select? Can you just type which one of this? 6 days a week. Okay. So very active, intense exercise 6 days a week. Okay. So we calculate now. So when you calculate, so if your weight is 685, if you want to maintain weight, you need to have at least 3,200 calories. This, if you consume 3,200 calories, then you will maintain your weight. If you want to lose weight, mild loss, so this much calories you need to take 2,900. If you want to lose extreme weight, then you need to take 2,200 calories. Okay. So this is how you, if you want to lose weight, these are the calories which you need to take. So if you want to lose weight, so let's idle process is weight loss 0.5 kg per week. So you need to take 2,600 calories approximately. Okay. So you need to take 2,600 calories approximately. All of you, you can calculate yourself. So for we are just taking one example of Mr. Sukhvinder Singh, and all of you can calculate yourself. So 2,600 calories is total daily energy expenditure. Total daily energy expenditure is 2,600 for Mr. Sukhvinder Singh if he wants to lose weight. Out of those 2,600 calories, maximum carbohydrate which you can take is 26%. So 26 divided by 100 multiplied by 2,600 divided by 4 will be the number of carbohydrates, total number of carbohydrates which you need to take. So follow DIAAFIT diet. If you want to, when we say balanced diet, DIAAFIT diet is a balanced diet because we have carbohydrate, right amount of protein, and right amount of healthy fat. Because most of the diet, they omit healthy fat and they give very, very less protein. Because of that, most of the diet is not successful for diabetes reversal. Okay, so this is one. These are the few other things which you need to follow, and eliminate smoking. Stop smoking, stop drinking. You need to stop smoking and drinking because that also causes insulin resistance. Because of that, you have diabetes. Next is sleep. So if you don't sleep 7 to 8 hours, try to sleep properly, try to have a good sleep, do some meditation, improve your sleep quality, and then you will see how your sugar level will come down. Stress is very important factor because if you don't eliminate stress, no matter what you do, diabetes reversal is impossible. So eliminate your stress. How will you eliminate your stress? Do something which you like. Do something which you like. Engage yourself in some activities, some sports, some music, some hobbies. Whatever you like, do that. Try to do that. That will help you to reduce your stress. How do I reduce my stress? I go for bike riding. I go for a vacation. I go for a car drive. I call some of my friends. I talk to them. I listen to music. I read a book. So these are stress busters for me. You need to find your stress busters. Everybody can have something different. What makes you relaxed? Try to find that. Not necessary what I am doing, you have to do the same thing. Everybody is different and everybody will have different ways of stress busting.